Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Bricks Gentleman, and today I would like to present you some very old Lego sets. So, we have three different sets and two minifigures. These sets still have three-digit numbers, so very old ones. Let's start first with the small forklift, where we have this kind of minifigure, or the grandfather of the minifigure maybe. And we can move that here up, down, and up again. Can move it down and unload it, and it will go back up. So let's have a closer look at this kind of very simple minifigures. We don't have any kind of face and no real arms and no legs. It's just a silhouette of a minifigure. I think here we have a bit more advanced one, already with a painted face on it. But you see, the helmet, it's damaged. And I think Lego itself made fun of that very common damage with a more modern figure. And this is not, it's kind of mimicking the damage. It's not a real damage here. So we're making fun of our own quality issues back in the days, maybe. So let's move forward to this truck with the excavator on it. We can, yes, you see, we can steer it from the top with this Lego brick with Lego written on it. And we can even open the doors. And if we fold that down, we can unload the excavator. Oh, it's hard to move the chains on that surface. Oh, we're kind of moving on that surface. And here we can put the shovel up and down again. And we can, of course, turn it around. So if you want to see how this is constructed, I highly recommend you to go in the description of this movie here, and I link the movies of Brico Meme and how he's built all that, so you can see how these things are constructed, if you're interested in that. And here we have another truck. We can also steer this one. of course, we can open the doors. Now here we have slightly different doors. On one side the handle is like that, and on the other side is going up and down. It's interesting. Here you can see the steering mechanism. Oh, here's a plastic piece missing. So maybe it's difficult to find the right position. So here you see that small plastic piece. It's acting like a spring and put it in a straight position again. Also very complicated too. Will I change the handle there? So, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a lovely day and see you soon.